All right, so we're going down third divide now. Let a little more air out of the tire. Didn't get as much rain over here. Can't wear my glasses because they're all just soaked and fogged out. And anyways, so again, just taking it easy, going at a much more reasonable speed. They got just a little bit of moisture over here, so the dirt's pretty bitchin' right now. Wow, look at this dirt. Woo! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. This is sticky. They got just a little bit of moisture over here. Wow, it's hard to go slow when it's this good. Third divide. But I am carrying my 25, 30-pound pack with my spare battery, so I'm not at Mach speed. Let some air out of the tires up there. Still pretty hard, but yeah, it's a mix of dry and moist. Trying to pay attention, Brooks. Pay the fuck attention. Yeah, they hardly got any moisture over here. Oh, missed that little jump. Trying to tell myself, slow down, slow down. It's so hard to do. This comes the wall. Oh, come on, Brooks. Shift, shift, shift. Do it, clean it. Clean it, there you go. Whoa! Woo! Fuck. That should mean that tree right there. Tree just saved my ass. That tree just saved my life. Third divide done. GoPro, stop recording.